When was the last time you were truly focused? When all the noise and distraction faded away, and a single task has your full, undivided attention. And what if you could just switch it on whenever you wanted? Meet Remakable, the paper tablet. A digital notebook with the feel of paper, designed for tasks that demand focus. Take notes, draft, refine, and organize, without distractions or interruptions, so you can work with deep focus and make meaningful breakthroughs. Create and curate your own setup with virtually unlimited space for all your notes, documents, and texts, and easily find what you're looking for, with everything all in one place. Start out with the tactile feel of freehand, as millions of ink particles respond with instant precision, and follow your ideas further with the flow of the all-new Typefolio. Comfortable, focused typing in a breathtakingly slim profile. Experience an entirely new way to draft your next chapter, ace your presentation, or develop your big idea, all without interruptions. With Remakable, everything you loved about paper has arrived in the digital age, all in one system. Capture, update, and organize your thoughts whenever inspiration strikes. Share your ideas live, visualize, and bring your colleagues into the conversation. Add your thoughts without barriers and move forward with a simple tap. Make meaningful breakthroughs with Remakable, the only digital notebook designed to help you focus. No distractions, just you and your thoughts.